Hello students, here is the question. The half-life of aurum 198 is 2.7 days. The activity of 1.5 milligrams of aurum, if its atomic weight is 198 gram per mole, is the Avogadro number is given to us as 6 into 10 power 23 per mole. We know that the activity, that is the initial activity, can be written as lambda n naught, which is ln2 by t half into the mass upon the molecular mass, which becomes number of moles, into the Avogadro number, that is the number of atoms in this case. So ln2 into the number of atoms divided by the t half will give us the activity in this case. So ln2 upon T half is 2.7 days into 3600 into 24, which is the seconds in this case, and 1.5 into 10 power minus 3 is the mass in grams. 198 is the atomic weight, and 6 into 10 power 23 is the Avogadro number, divided by 3.7 into 10 power minus 10 to convert into this unit over here. Given this, we can easily find what the initial activity will become, which is 366. So the option B is approximately correct. Thank you.